And now some more types of angles. As earlier I told, the plane surface is divided into four parts. That means 490s. Rays are here: OA, OB, OC, and OD. Now, the angle between OA and OB is 90 degrees, as earlier I told. Now, one more ray I am drawing here from OE. Now, observe the measure of these angle between OA and OE. Clearly, it is less than 90 degrees. This is 90 total. This is 90. Now, this part, angle between OA and OE, less than 90 degrees. Such type of angles are called acute angles. Acute angles. If the angle between two rays is less than 90 degrees, then it is called acute angle. Next, if the angle is greater than 90 degrees, look up to here 90. Now I will draw from O one more ray, OF. Now look, space between OA and OF. Space between OA and OF clearly greater than 90. Up to here 90, it is more than 90. Such type of angles are called obtuse angles. If the angle is greater than 90 degrees, then it is called obtuse angle. So these are the basic types of angles in your syllabus. So what we learned? If the angle is less than 90 degrees, it is acute angle. If the angle is greater than 90 degrees, it is obtuse angle. Then if the angle is equals to 90 degrees, then it is right angle. Then it is right angle. Then it is right angle. Next, if the angle is equals to 180 degrees, then it is straight angle. Then it is straight angle. If the angle is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees, then it is called reflex angle. Then it is called reflex angle. If the angle is 360 degrees between two rays, 360 degrees, then it is called complete angle. So these are all the basic types: acute, obtuse, right, straight, reflex, and complete angle. So today we learnt about some basic points in geometry. What those are all? About point, about line and line segment, about rays and angles, types of angles. Then after that, polygons and types of polygons. Hope you understood. Along with this video, I will post worksheet also. So go through the worksheet. Any doubts you can ask through WhatsApp. So solve that worksheet. Send me back before 4 p.m. Have a good day.